So now coming lecture number 2. In lecture number 1 I told you that I will explain page number 42. So come to page number 42. Page number 42 is greater than. Topic is greater than. Greater than. Okay, greater means which is greater. If there is 4 in this hand, my 4 finger, in this hand my 3 finger. So which is greater, 4 or 3? 4. 3 is lesser. So this is greater. So we will see same thing in page number 42. So for this I need to draw some figure so that you can see. So I am just drawing the other picture, you can see, like here 1 box, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3. Okay, other example 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Now you can see here which is greater. This one is greater. This is greater than this. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 is greater than what? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is greater than 1, 2, 3, 3. And we can write it like that. If this side is 4 and this side is 3, then we will write like that. Again, same thing you write like that only. Okay. One more you can see. You can see here there is 8 hand. Here is 5 hand. So which is greater? This one. So whenever something is greater, we give sign like that. Okay. Understood? Now the next topic is lesser than. Lesser than. So just come to lesser than. This one understood? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is greater than 1, 2, 3, 3. So 4. This is the sign of greater than. Because 4 is greater, that's why the sign of greater than 3. Now we will read about lesser than. Lesser than. You can see lesser than. So I am just drawing picture. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This side in this box 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in this box. Now you can see this, in this box there is 4 ball, but in this box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Question is lesser than. So this is 4, okay, and this is 8. So which is lesser? This one is lesser. So just put the sign. Okay, it shows that 4 is lesser and 8 is greater. Understood? We can write this. 4 is less than 8. Okay, this sign shows that 8 is greater and 4 is lesser. In page number 42 we have seen that if some number is greater, then we write like that. It means it shows that 8 is greater than 4. But when it come to lesser than, it shows here that 4 is less than 8 because the sign is along the 8, not along the 4. That's why it shows that 4 is less than 8. In this, it shows 8 is greater than 4. Okay, students. Now we'll come to next. In this question, you will just write down what that this less than this less than this. Okay. Now come to page number 45. Equal to. I hope whatever I am writing, it is visible to you, and whatever I am speaking, it is audible to you. Is equal to. Okay. So again I will draw some figures. See. Cone. Just you can take it as ice cream. So now you can see here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cone or ice cream. Here is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In both box there is 7 ice cream. So it is very easy. You can write 7 is equal to what? 7. You can write 7 is equal to 7. So I know this. One more thing you will write 7 is equal to 7. This is equal to I have written in word, and when you will write like that, then you will give 2 sign. Okay. Again, see equal to question equal. Equal means what? Like see, in this hand I am showing 5 finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this finger also I am showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5, 5. So in my both hand there is 5 finger. So what? 5 is equal to 5. Same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In both figure there is 7 ice cream is or cone. So you can write 7 is equal to 7, and in maths numerically we can write 7 equal to 7. Understood? Okay, now page number 46 is use of greater or less than symbols. Now this one I have already taught you in page number 42, 41, 42, 43, 44, same in this also. But you can see one like page number 46, like it is written 3 is less than 5. And how you will write 3 is less than 5? So 3 is less than 5. It shows that 3 is less than 5. Now one more question you can see, 6 is greater than 1. So 6 is greater than 1. It shows here 6 is greater than 1. It shows here that 3 is less than 5. Okay, students. In page number 47 also same thing. Just you have to put the sign which one is greater, like 4 is greater, so put the sign here, 3, 5. So which one is greater, this one is greater, so put the sign. Understood? In page number 47 you will solve in your book. From page number 48, I will teach you from next class. For now, it's goodbye to all of you.